How to reset Windows 10 or 11. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to format your laptop, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started without any delay. So what you may do is you can just go ahead and access your device's settings. For that, you can hit Windows plus I and your settings opens up directly on your screen, main screen like this. Now from your settings of your device, you need to head over and go over and find option for system, tap on it, or you can directly look out for option for recovery. Just go ahead and go to settings and type in recovery and look out for this recovery options and click on it. After you do so, you will be taken to this recovery option right here, where you can go ahead and reset your PC. So you can look out for this option called reset PC and click on reset PC. And once you do so, you can choose two options available. So if you'd like to reset your PC, you can keep your files, which means you can remove apps and settings. It will completely delete those things, but it will keep up your personal files that are backed up on your device. Or what you can do is you can select the second option called remove everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps, and even settings. So you can choose one of those options if you'd like to reset your Windows. So for example, let's say you can select keep my files, and it will start getting things ready for you. You can just go ahead and back up yourself before you would like to reinstall your Windows. You can select cloud download or local reinstall and select one of those. And once you do so, it will basically follow up the process, and it should take some minutes depending upon your device for everything to be done completely, and it should reset. Once it is completed, it will completely format up your laptop and your device should restart automatically, and you'll be finding your device being reset. So this is how you do it. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.